Golden Horse Arts and Crafts Company Limited was established back in 1994, focusing on independent research and development, production and sales of wooden toys, bamboo toys, metal toys, and other toys and crafts. There are many varieties of products that are beautifully designed with high quality, integrating knowledge, fun, and entertainment. The products now have 232 patents registered on them. Products include nearly 3,000 types of preschool educational, intellectual development, building block puzzles, games, and preschool education. Now, the company is committed to providing high quality wooden toys sources for customers all over the world. They export all over the world, basically developed markets and Asian markets, etc., etc. Directly attract foreign business corporations such as Aldi, world famous brand, grocery stores, and Lidl, Target, Barnes & Nobles, and so on. In a moment, we're going to go inside this factory and to each different departments and find out more how these wooden toys are being produced actually on the production line. Alright, now we are in one of the workshops of Golden Horse. Now they have different workshops. Basically, this one is Woodworking Workshop. Now as you can see here, I'm surrounded by machines, workers, and it's a massive workshop basically. And now talking about the machines, there are 50 machines operating and 35 employees, controlling these machines. Now we are standing in one of the workshops of Golden Horse. They have, like I mentioned, different workshop, and this one is paint spraying workshop. As you can see, this is a big workshop, the total area of which 1,300 square meters. And in this workshop, you can see two different kinds of lines. One is hanging from the ceiling and the one on the ground. As you can see, these people are busy sorting and packaging, all right? And there is a special person with white shirt. He's a quality control officer, basically. He makes sure the job is done correctly, okay? He observes the quality, makes sure the quality is up to the standards, and there are no mistakes, okay? Everything is followed by, by the guidelines, basically. Now, we are in the testing lab of the factory, Golden Horse. Now, as you can see here, there are different testing equipment. The purpose of it is because they want to test the products in-house before they send the products for testing in a third-party lab.